सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके नमोस्तुते तस्महात्तकाले सूर्यादीनां नवानां ग्रहाणां भुवनेश्वरी देवी देवते श्रीमाता परमेश्वरस्य लोकेश्वरस्य आरोग्य ऐश्वर्य अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं मनो अभिशमदम् अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं सर्वसंपद प्राप्त्यर्थम् अस्मिन् ग्रामे स्थितानां सर्वे श्रीमाता भरत नाम देश्या तेजस्वी नाम देवते आर्यवीर नाम देश्या श्रीमाता मोक्षक्ति नाम देश्या आरोग्य ऐश्वर्य धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्वेद उन्नत राजकीय भूषिष्टम उन्नत अधिकार योग्यता नित्य अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं सर्व मानवाళి सर्व प्राणिकोटि जीवन अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं सर्व संपदत्यर्थं व्यवसाय व्यापार वाणिज्यादि नित्य अयं वेदाः वेदं पुरुषं महान्तं आदित्यवर्णं संसत्वारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विदित्य धीरः कामानि कृत्वा अग्निधास्ते काम कामाय मह्यम् कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः। ॐ तद्ब्रह्मा ॐ तद्वायुः ॐ तदात्मा ॐ तत्सत्यम् ॐ तत्सर्वम् ॐ तत् सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये सर्वादश दिव्य सुवर्ण मंत्रविश्वं समर्पयामि। सेल्स सॉफ्टवेयर व्यापार संस्थारीत्या नित्य अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं शीघ्रमे महासंस्था नूतन गृह प्रारंभ महोत्सव प्राप्त्यर्थं अनमेव भवानः यत्वेमहे प्रतिदन्न जुषस्व अन्न एतद्विपदेशाधिपति ओम श्री वास्तु पुरुषाय नमः। वास्तु देवता संपूर्ण प्रसाद हितस्तु निर्माणस्य जन्मलग्न जातक गोचाररीत्या आदित्य नवग्रह देवता अत्यंतानुकूल्यता विचित्रस्तु ये प्रतिष्ठति
మా అందరు బాగున్నారా? ఫ్రమ్ ఇంగాట్ టు వేఫర్ ఇన్వెస్టింగ్ 80,000 crores. All of you have changed the name also already. Absolutely. I see that G has become Google logo. Every billboard I see G is changed. But that is just the beginning. Vizag is going to go through a lot of fundamental transformation. Youngsters like you will have amazing opportunities. My only advice to you is you need to have fire in your belly. Be committed to the organization that you work in. Don't forget your parents, your teachers, because we are who we are because of them. And last, make Andhra Pradesh and make India proud. In fact, I was talking to your MP, Bharat, here on the way. In fact, street vendors to what I was telling Bharat, we need to talk. Chattar road mein nahi kar. Because I'm marketing, no, Visakhapatnam, I used to market it as if Bangalore were to marry, go and have a child, it is Visakhapatnam. But then someone told me you are fighting with few of those cities, so you might have to come with something else. Then I realized that Andhra Pradesh and especially Vizag has the potential to be the California of the East. And that is how beautiful it is. And that is the kind of companies we want as well. That means all of us should work hard and be part of this story. I'm sure majority of you would have heard about, oh, Hyderabad changed. Hyderabad was a sleepy city. Telugulo Ral Rappal Majilo Unna Pattanam. Now it has become a megapolis, right?
It's always been up and coming, but
Now we're going to do that with Visakhapatnam. All of you are going to experience history in making. All of you are going to be part of history. But then we will bring opportunities. The way you behave, the way you welcome people is going to be very, very important. People who come, people who see Visakhapatnam fall in love with it. No second thoughts about it. But then we should do even more. Because other cities have a head start of 30 years, 35 years. 10 years of hard work, we can beat them. 10 years of hard work, we can beat them. No second thoughts. Government is here, we are going to support. All of us are working hard. But equally, you should ensure that in your own, you enhance the image of Visakhapatnam. All of you should be active in social media. Definitely talk about the work we are doing. You know, we are really working hard. Your leadership can vouch at the speed at which you are working. Even Gaurav Mukhyamantri garu, look at the CM also, the way he is working. He is all about creating, history. And Nautantar is probably the most lucky politician. Because generally a politician gets only one opportunity to create history and a legacy. He's done it already with Hyderabad, right? And he says, I'm lucky I'm getting it a second chance, right? To do it all over again. But this time he's able to do it in Vishaka, Amravati, Rayalaseema, across the state we're doing. But then, of course, IT, data centers, the care of address is going to be Vizag. More good news will come. But be hungry. No, but make us proud. Make Andhra proud. Thank you. Make India proud. It is our turn. It is our turn. The whole world is looking at India right now. Right? It is our turn. PM Gar is set out on an amazing vision of Viksit Bharat. The energy I saw yesterday in Delhi also. I was there. One evening I went to Delhi. Amount of energy is amazing. We can be number one economy in the world. No second thought. Because of all of you. The youth of India. But again, my last point. You need to have fire in your belly. That I can't give. That you need to have. All of you have that energy, all of you have that power, all of you can work exceptionally. Okay? Make Andhra Pradesh and make India proud. Thank you very much and Jai Hind.
Assam Sarubha Havasavavadandistana Jamajanvana Dhanurvagaspanavatustadayadayam Mahorka Sumahorta Suruve Purvaktankavidhan Sriman Devadabhyo Namahanamya Kesavaya Svamasya Samvatsare Dakshidayane Sharadruto Kartikavasi Krishnapaksha Sudadavasra Dasamyam Datkala Sukra Devata Pritirtam Bhagavasri Subhayam Sudada Sriman Sridaha Gotrodhavasya Rugrin Vandrodhavasya Chandravab Narnavadhisya Jahavidamdasya Khyavasthairya Vijayavajayarogya Aishwarya Vrudyartham Srivat Dharivalivadrodhavasya Anjaryanavadhisya Dasya Suputragasya Yo Vedam Brahmana Veda Amradena Vradamburi Tasmai Brahmajam Dravande Raja Varuna Dravande Va Brahaspati Dravandindra Shagnischa Rashtumdhar Dravandindrasyagnishchara Ashtumdharayadan Aincha Brahmanaswadihi Ayam Muhurta Sumuhurta Su Vastuvadevadabhyo Namaha Dhyaya Vidhyanam Sadavratva Adyadistadhajangaram Purashaya Vedagam Sarvam यद्भूतं यस्य भव्यं दामृतत्वशेषानः तदूर्ध्वौ दैत्पुरुषः पादास्यः भवात्मनः तदा विश्वं चक्रामः सोमवृष्ण्यं भवावाजस्य जङ्गधे दधिग्रावर्णकारमुद्वारस्वज्जवादिनः सुतारिषुधूव शुभ्रमशिजोदृशिदेव सूर्यस्य रश्मे मध्वाकारता यदे मधुक्षानन्दशिवः आद्वेन सम्भाषणः मधुरक्षमदोषमोदवार्पार्धवानस्मधुरमदभागम् अस्तु सूर्यः मा दीर्घावो भवन्तनः स्वादु भवस्य दिव्या जन्मने स्वाहा पाञ्चद्वकं हसः ध्रुवन्ते राजा वरुणो ध्रुवन्ते वा बृहस्पति रास्कुन्धारयतां ध्रुवं सुमुहूर्तास्तु नामानि कृत्वा वेदनदाः सम्राजेन्द्राजेन्द्र अभिश्रीर्यातनो गृहे वास्तुपुरुषदेवताभ्यो नमः जगत्पूर्णीराजनं दर्शयामि राजमुखे राजद्वारे सर्वकार्यदिग्विजयप्राप्तन प्रारम्भोऽस्तु सर्वे कार्यदिग्विजयप्राप्तिरस्तु
Visakhapatnam will be the California of the East. No second thoughts about it. As a government, we are working exceptionally hard. I'm sure all of you are following the news, including our company, various other institutions are also coming here. The government is working exceptionally hard to bring Visakhapatnam onto the IT map. And to all the employees here, I will only request one thing: have fire in your belly. You can achieve great things. The next decade and a half is India's decade and a half. The entire world is looking at us. But if we want to deliver what we believe is right, and if we want to see India as a developed nation, as #1 nation in terms of economic activity, then all of us here should have fire in our belly. All of us here should work exceptionally hard to make Andhra Pradesh proud and to make India proud. Lastly, it's very important that all of you are brand ambassadors of Visakhapatnam. All of you should put your best foot forward. We should be welcoming to huge influx of Telugu people and Indians who will come and work in the amazing companies that are coming up here, including Phenom. We should be welcoming. We should keep our city clean, green. We should be the cleanest city in India by a mile. And we should put our best foot forward. I don't know what's the last met. First time we met was लक्ष्मी राष्ट्रस्य मुखे दया भासं सुजामसी समश्री समस्तमंगलानि भवन्तु नित्यश्री नित्यमंगलानि भवन्तु आनंदकर्पूर नीराजं दर्शयामि नमः पार्वतीपते आरंभ मुहूर्तस्मुहूर्तोऽस्तु
दिवे नमस्कृत्यान्ना श्रीलङ्के कीर्तये देवता एव देवतेन्द्रिय आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठते
उदामृतत्वस्येषानः यदन्नेनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अतोऽध्याय उच्चपुरुषः पादोऽस्याविश्वामुनानि यत्पुरुषः पादोऽस्याभात् ॐ राजामरुणो बृहस्पतिः ध्रुवन्ते इन्द्रस्यादित्य राष्ट्रं धारयतां ध्रुवम् ॐ जातवे ॐ भूमिर्भूम्नाद्यवरिणान्तरिक्षं महित्वा उपस्थे देव्यङ्गो पुरुषरक्रमे दशधन्माकरं पुरः पितरिञ्च प्रियंसवः दृगं सिद्धावनः ध्रुवं देवो बृहस्पतिः ध्रुवन्ते इन्द्रस्याग्निश्च राष्ट्रं धारयतां ध्रुवम् ॐ ध्रुवन्ते राजावरुणो ध्रुवं देवो बृहस्पतिः शर्म इच्छतु आत्मा हर्षमन्तरवो
लक्ष्मी मणिमघामणि ध्रुवन्ते राजारुण ध्रुवं देवो बृहस्पति ध्रुवन्ते इन्द्रस्याग्निश्च राष्ट्रं धारयतां ध्रुवम् अयं मुहूर्तः शुभमुहूर्तमस्तु
ॐ भूमिर्भूम्नाद्यवरुण ब्रह्मवर्चसमितॄणां स्तोत्रं चक्षुर्मणः देवी हिरण्यगर्भिणी देवी प्रचोदरी सदने सत्यायने सीते महोद्यादित्यतो शृङ्गे शृङ्गे यज्ञे यज्ञे ध्रुवं देवो बृहस्पतिः
ध्रुवन्ते इन्द्रस्याग्निश्च राष्ट्रं धारयतां ध्रुवम् अयं मुहूर्तस्तु मुहूर्ते सावधान
सुलग्ने सावधान श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायणस्य तेजस्वी रावणीतमस्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
ऊर्ध्वं जगातु भेषजम्
Absolutely. Let's do that.